Hello everybody, I'm Mike the Stew Burner and welcome to the channel, and today I'm doing breakfast. Not just any breakfast, this is not bacon and eggs, hash browns and all that good stuff. This is, we're kind of taking a turn towards a healthy breakfast. And I do healthy breakfasts, I eat quite a few healthy breakfasts during the week. And it's usually a plain yogurt with a few things mixed in. Or oats. You know I love steel cut oats. I've got a video out there on steel cut oats. But for many years, I was kind of turning a blind eye to the overnight oats thing. And I don't know why I like oats. I just, I like my steel cut oats cooked in my rice cooker. But I finally decided to try these out. I saw a few videos. People are raving about them. They look really easy. And you know me, I'm all about easy. So I said, you know what? I've got to try this. If it's easy, I need to be trying it. And if I like it, I'm going to make a video on it. And I liked it, obviously, because I'm doing a video on it. So I'm doing the very easiest of easy overnight oats recipes. It's basically a 1-to-1. 1 cup of oats, rolled oats here. Old-fashioned rolled oats. You could use the instant oats, however it would be a little bit more mushier. If you like that, that's good for you. And I have 1 cup of milk here. I'm not using whole milk, I'm using oat milk for my recipe because I enjoyed oat milk. I'm kind of on this oat milk kick lately. So it's 1-to-1 on those 2 ingredients there. Then I have 1 tablespoon of chia seed, and I'm going to put in 1 tablespoon of sweetener. You can use whatever sweetener you want. However, I'm going healthy and I have some monk fruit brown sugar, so I'm going to use that. And I'm going to go in with a teaspoon of vanilla. In fact, I forgot one thing, and that is cinnamon. Now, I usually add cinnamon to mine, but it's not down here. I don't feel like running upstairs to grab some. And by all means, if you like cinnamon, you can add cinnamon. If you don't have monk fruit sweetener and you want to go au natural, you can always go with honey, maple syrup. You know where I'm going, right? So that's it. Those are the ingredients. I keep it simple. Now, after they're complete, after they're done, after they sat overnight, then I may do some add-ons. In this case today, I'm going to go ahead and use some blueberries here. I have some protein-added granola here with some freeze-dried strawberries. And I'll probably put a dollop of Greek plain yogurt in there at the very end. So let's get started here. This is so simple. And you know me, like I said before, I'm all about simple. So let's just get everything going here. I'm going to go in with my milk. Everything goes in at one time. You give it a stir. You put it in a container. You put it in the fridge. You wake up the next morning and you have overnight oats. You can eat them cold. You can zap them in the microwave. And I didn't bring my tablespoon. That's so good. There's a tablespoon right there. You could warm them up in the microwave. Maybe I've never warmed them up myself, but I'm sure you can. Going with the vanilla here. There we go. If you wanted to go with almond extract, you could do that if you like the almond flavor. I like to use vanilla because I have my homemade vanilla here. And yeah, I have a video on that. That's it. Go in here, give them a nice stir. So you go in here, give them a nice stir, and I do it for about a minute, minute and a half. I want to make sure that the sweetener is broken down, everything's incorporated, and which it is now. That is it. I have 2 containers in here. This is 2 portions, and so I'm going to break this down into 2 days, and I'll put half of it in one bowl, half in the other, put the lid on, get it in the fridge, and call it a day, or call it a night, right? There we go. Trying to get all the oats, because they're really not saturated yet, separate it out equally. And then I'm going to have some more liquid in here, so I'm going to get half of the liquid into each bowl. There we go. Give it one more stir. Get everything distributed. There we go. Lids on them. In the fridge. Overnight. Overnight for a couple of nights if you want. Those oats will go ahead and absorb all that liquid, all that nice flavoring. And what you're going to have, I'm going to show you in a few seconds. Don't go anywhere. Okie dokie, I am back. I actually had one sitting in the fridge that I made last night, so it would be ready. And what I had transferred over to this bowl here. So there you have it. I don't know if you can pick that up, but they are nice and creamy. Now, you could go with just this. Perfectly fine. But me, I'm going to add a few things. And everything's healthy. I'm going to add a dollop of Greek yogurt. Actually, this is protein added yogurt, so trying to get a little more protein in there. I got some of that protein added granola for a little crunch. Then I got these nice fresh blueberries. And these, everybody knows all the advantages of blueberries. So there we go. Get one on the top there. It's looking fantastic. There you go. See if I can get that over there without dropping it all right. Ha ha ha. Now, you want to add more protein? Go with some peanut butter. Have at it. Make it your own. You know, there are things that you like, maybe some flaked coconut, what have you. You can do it. You know why? Because you can. Alrighty, before I tear into this, I'm going to take a few pictures for the thumbnail. Then we'll come back, we'll give it a try, and we'll bring it on home. So let's do a little business before we dive into this. The episode shout out. This episode shout out is dedicated to all you sailors that came through that breakfast line on the ship. You know who you are. You wouldn't even go through the regular line. You would go out and you would hit that oatmeal. Because we made oatmeal or farina or grits every breakfast. Some people just, that's all they wanted. They wanted some nice, good, hot oatmeal. Well, this is not hot. This is cold. And but this episode is dedicated to you. All right. Enough talking, right? Let's try this out. You can mix this up a little bit like I'm going to do right now. Get all those ingredients mixed in there. And let's give this a try. Got to get a blueberry on there. My new favorite right here. It's just so good. This is so easy. It doesn't get any easier than this. And the reward is one of the tastiest breakfasts you'll ever have. You could even have this as dessert. And it's healthy. All the benefits there. High in protein, high in fiber. Well, we added the protein. Probiotics. It's all there. Low sugar, low fat. It's all there. You can't go wrong. And it's going to fill you up too. You're not going to want to have a snack mid-morning. You're going to stay away from them snacks. Eat this. Everything will be good, right? So hey, if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, subscribe, and most importantly, share. And right over there, hit the logo. It makes it so much easier to subscribe to the channel. So until next time, thanks, and we'll see you. Maybe over another bowl of oats, right? Peace out.